Hey, it's Steve with the Lmt Forex Formula results, week number 3. Lmt Forex Formula Review.com. That's the place to go for our email updates, for our videos, for our results. You can find all of our information there. Make sure you're on our email list. We'll update you anytime Lmt Forex Formula does any changes to their system as well. Our results, our brokerage statements, you can find at this page here. And our bonuses you can find at lmtforexformulabonus.com. Our webinars were recorded the last couple of weeks, and they are up. We'll have future webinars as well, so make sure you're on our list. But if you haven't purchased yet, you can do so at lmtforexformulabonus.com. As far as the results go, things are still going well. Dan will talk to you about the results. The 4-hour charts, people are having really tremendous success with the 4-hour charts. We're not actually doing reviews for the 4-hour charts. We're kind of focused on the daily charts. The only problem with the daily charts is you just don't have as many trades. So you'll have them in bunches, and then you won't have a trade for a week or two. And that's the period that we're going through right now. So we should have some additional daily trades hopefully here this week or maybe next. So we'll see. Here's Dan with the results. Have a great week. Take care.
Hi, this is Dan with the Lmt Forex Formula update. It's been another quiet week on the daily charts. We did not have a setup this week. However, we did have that one trade that was open in our demo account, although it did close out, but we've been talking about that trade. So we need to take a look at that, and we also need to take a look at one other thing that occurred this week. So let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start off by showing you the live account statement. And as you can see, there is a trade on here. There was actually a setup in the Euro Australian dollar. Now, I took that trade, but I wasn't supposed to, and let me explain why. On the review, we're only trading the 11 pairs that Dean recommends, and I'll put those pairs up in a second. But one of the pairs is not the Euro Australian dollar. So I made a mistake. If you look at the entry time, you can see that I got in when the markets opened on Sunday, and you can see that 11 seconds later I got out of the trade because I realized I wasn't supposed to take that trade. But there actually weren't any trades on the day charts. And for those of you who are wondering, that trade right now is up about 45 pips. So if I had actually stayed in the trade at this point, it's about 3 hours after, I would have actually been in profit right now. The LMT program can be used on any pair you want to try to trade it with. And I've heard from many traders that are successfully doing this with other pairs than these 11. These are the pairs that Dean tested the system on and has worked very well on. And these are the pairs that we are basing our review on. We're looking at the demo account now, and as you may recall, we took the trade on 5/19. We got in at 1.3629. Unfortunately, there was a glitch in something. Not exactly sure how it happened, but it took us out of the trade early. If we were still in the trade, we would actually gotten out of the trade according to the rules of the LMT program at the open of trading this week, which opened at 13.944. And if you look at the price that it actually took us out at is 13.943. So you can virtually say that the profit that we have in there is actually what would have happened. You are probably looking at the chart, and you're probably saying to yourself, well, you could have gotten a lot more pips out of that. Well, it's very difficult for any system to be able to pick the high or low of any trading trend or range or whatever. So I'm very happy getting 300 plus pips in this trade. And hopefully in future trades we can get 500 to 1,000 pips, which is really what the system is designed to do. Well, once again, we didn't have any trades on the daily charts. Hopefully this week we will get some of those trades. But again, this week I've heard from many people are doing very well on the 4-hour charts. So I am very impressed with the results on this system, and I hope to be able to show you more positive results as we go along. I really enjoy trading with the Lmt Forex Formula program, and I think it's a great tool for anybody who is interested in doing manual trading. So I want to thank you for listening this week, and hope you'll join us again next week.